They say death starts in the legs, and while that may sound harsh, there's truth in it. For adults over 60, weak or cramping legs are often the very first sign that circulation, nerves or muscles are losing strength. You might feel it when you stretch in bed and a muscle suddenly tightens like a knot, or when you're just walking in the grocery store and your calf locks up. The good news? You can turn it around, naturally, and it begins right on your plate. Before we go on, hit subscribe to 60 Plus Vitality, your home for simple, science-based ways to stay strong and independent after 60. If you've ever had a leg cramp at night, tap like and tell us in the comments what helped you most. Your story might save someone else from that same pain. Now let's look at 3 powerful foods that can stop leg cramps, rebuild muscle strength, and keep your legs active for decades to come. Stay till the end. Your legs will thank you. If you've ever woken up with your calf twisted in pain, you know how it feels. Sharp, sudden, almost electric. It usually fades after a few minutes, but the soreness can linger for hours. These cramps aren't just random. They're your body's way of saying, I'm running low on something important. That something is often minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, the nutrients that keep muscles relaxed and blood vessels open. Over time, as we age, our bodies absorb less of these minerals, and that's why cramps become more frequent. Add in medications like diuretics, dehydration, or simply sitting too long, and you've got the perfect storm. Studies show that half of adults over 60 experience regular leg cramps. But here's the encouraging part. In most cases, the solution isn't a pill, it's food. The right kind of food. Our first food is something you probably already have in your fridge: eggs. Most people think of eggs only as a breakfast protein, but they're actually one of the most complete muscle-building foods on Earth. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need to repair themselves after stress or activity. They also pack vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your muscles from tightening into painful cramps. And here's a hidden bonus. Eggs are rich in vitamin B12 and choline, nutrients that keep your nerves firing smoothly, so your brain and muscles talk without misfires. Think of it like tuning a piano. The better the connection between nerve and muscle, the smoother your movement. Tip: go for boiled or poached eggs instead of fried. It preserves the nutrients, without the added fat. If you enjoy omelettes, add a few spinach leaves or mushrooms, both high in magnesium and potassium, turning one simple meal into a full anti-cramp powerhouse. For most people, 2 eggs a day is plenty. Within a few weeks, you'll notice fewer muscle twitches and better leg stability when walking or climbing stairs. And don't skip the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients live. The second food is one you've probably reached for hundreds of times: bananas. You've heard that they're rich in potassium, but let's unpack why that matters. Potassium is what allows your muscles to contract and relax smoothly. When levels drop, those same muscles tighten and misfire. That sudden cramp that makes you jump out of bed at 2 a.m. Bananas are also full of magnesium and vitamin B6, 2 quiet heroes that help your nerves stay calm and your muscles less irritable. Together, they act like a built-in cool-down system for your legs. Try eating 1 ripe banana each day, in the morning if you're active, or an hour before bed if you get nighttime cramps. You can even mash half a banana into warm oatmeal or blend it with milk for an easy bedtime drink that relaxes your muscles and steadies your heartbeat. If you watch your blood sugar, don't skip them. Just pair your banana with protein or fiber, like a spoon of peanut butter or a handful of nuts. That combination slows sugar absorption and keeps your energy steady. Little habits like this, practiced every day, quietly refill your body's mineral reserves, the same reserves that protect you from those painful spasms. Finally, let's Talk about the tiny giants of nutrition: nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Each is packed with magnesium, calcium, zinc, and healthy fats that nourish both muscles and nerves. Magnesium in particular is your body's natural muscle relaxer. It keeps your blood vessels open so oxygen can flow freely through your legs. Calcium strengthens contractions, while zinc helps repair small muscle tears that come with age. Think of a handful of mixed nuts and seeds as your daily leg multivitamin. About 30 grams, roughly a quarter cup, is enough. Sprinkle them on. Yogurt, toss them into salads or blend them into a smoothie with banana. That's 2 anti-cramp foods working together. And here's a pro tip: roast them lightly instead of eating them raw. A gentle roast releases natural oils, improving taste and mineral absorption. Do this consistently for a few weeks, and you may notice fewer night cramps, warmer feet, and less stiffness after sitting. It's a small daily act with a big payoff. We've covered the top 3 foods: eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds, but food alone isn't the whole story. In part 3, we'll look at the simple daily routine that keeps your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free, plus the one thing most people forget that causes cramps to return again and again. You now know the top 3 foods that feed your muscles: eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds. But here's the truth: food is the fuel. Movement is the spark. Muscles are like rechargeable batteries. The more you use them, the better they hold their power. Each morning, before getting out of bed, take just 5 minutes for gentle leg movements. Point your toes forward and back 10 times. Roll your ankles slowly in circles. Then, stretch your calves by pressing your heels down while sitting upright. These small motions send fresh blood and oxygen to your lower legs, washing away the waste that builds up overnight, the very waste that causes cramping. After breakfast, aim for a 10-minute walk, even indoors or down the hallway. Walking activates your calf muscles, which act like a second heart, pumping blood back up to your body. And if sitting for long periods, remember the 20-minute rule. Every 20 minutes, stand, stretch, or flex your feet for 20 seconds. That tiny habit can make a huge difference over time. The next factor is often overlooked: hydration. Many older adults simply don't feel thirsty, so dehydration sneaks up silently. Even mild dehydration thickens your blood, slows circulation, and triggers muscle spasms. Try sipping water throughout the day, not all at once. Add a slice of lemon or a pinch of Himalayan salt to 1 or 2 glasses daily to naturally replace electrolytes. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger also count toward hydration. Plus, they calm the nerves and improve sleep quality, both of which reduce cramps. If you wake at night with leg pain, gently massage the area and take a few sips of warm water. It often helps within minutes. Remember, your legs are not just muscles, they're your independence. They carry you to the people you love, to your garden, to your favorite chair by the window. Treat them kindly, feed them well, move them daily. A few consistent habits: a banana with breakfast, a handful of nuts at noon, 2 eggs in the morning, a short evening walk, can completely change how your legs feel within weeks. It's never too late to start. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, your body still listens when you take care of it. If this video helped you, please tap like. It really helps more people discover these simple tips. Share your experience in the comments. When was the last time you had a leg cramp, and what helped you the most? Your answer might be exactly what another viewer needs tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to 60 Plus Vitality. We bring you weekly videos on aging gracefully, boosting energy, and staying active for life.